Welcome back to the channel. We are already in the after hours and we are looking at the stock price of Exela Technologies. As you guys can see, during regular trading today, the stock went up 2.23%, closing regular trading at about 42 cents. And after hours, the stock has gone up a further 1.66% and is now trading at about 43 cents. Also, if you look at the volume for today, it was about 85 million compared to the average volume of 46 million. I think somebody is piling up on this stock. I don't have a view of the order book, but I think a lot of these transactions are buy orders. Now, two major things have happened with Exela over the past 24-48 hours. The first and most significant is that the chief executive officer will be transitioning, and I think that means he would be going on retirement. For the time being, the board and I think the chairman will be the oversight committee that will be watching over the day-to-day activities of the company until they find another chief executive officer. The outgoing CEO has been with the company for, I believe they said, 30 years, and he started with one of the affiliates. And most notable, his most notable achievement was doing the IPO of Exela Technologies, which happened in 2017. When Exela Technologies went public, the stock was trading at about $29, $30, and then from there, slowly you can see how the stock eroded until today we are at 43 cents. Also, I believe there is some talk about a certain credit facility that has been granted the company, which means that some institutional backers and financiers are looking at Exela Technologies and looked at the underlying fundamentals and believe this is a very strong and viable company. So the company now has access to a revolving line of credit. So those two significant developments, I believe, are the things that have propelled Exela Technologies to where it is actually almost having a reversal, as you guys can see with me, just in the few minutes we've been talking. After hours, we are already up at 2.2%. So again, I still reiterate, I think that Exela Technologies is a very good takeover candidate. There is a pressing need for business processes streamlining in the world, and Exela Technologies has been in that field for quite a while. They've developed the expertise. They have the men and women who can execute. So I think getting this stock at this price is a very, very steep bargain, considering that not so long ago the stock was trading at about $30. All right, guys, that's what I had to share with you. And if you are invested in this company, I'm pretty sure you did your due diligence and you have probably seen the good, which I also see in the company. But if you are still considering investing in the company, please take your time, study the company, look at the fundamentals, look at the principals, the people running the company, their competency, look at the size of the company. I believe they have about 16,000 workers worldwide, and also look at the footprint of the company. What sector of business are they active in? Is it a growth sector? And finally, of course, you have your gut feeling to go with. If your gut tells you that this is a company that has a lot of upside, by all means invest. If not, hold your money and put your money where you feel like you might have some handsome returns. But that's what I had to share with you guys today. I think Exela here within the next couple of months will have a spectacular reversal and will start up on an upward trajectory. Thanks for joining me for this short discussion, and catch you guys on Monday.